This video guides you to start using Argon right out of the box with factory settings. First, pair Argon with your smartphone. To start pairing, long press multifunction button for 5 seconds. LED flashes in red and blue, indicating pairing is now ready. You should hear voice prompt,
Power OK.
and then
Pairing.
put your smartphone near Argon and open Bluetooth connectivity on the device you would like to pair. Select Solo Argon on the smartphone Bluetooth connectivity
Connected.
interface. LED flashes blue light when smartphone is successfully paired. Argon could pair up to 8 devices.